Compressing fit images with Siril. How to use fit image compression to reduce the space used on your disk. How to activate it? Open the Preferences menu, go to the Performance tab. In the Fits compression menu, check Activate. How it works? Image compression is an operation that will reduce the size of images on the disk. It can happen in two ways. Without losing information, like that is done for file archive, such as zip file, or with information loss, like MP3 for music. The latter is more efficient, of course. Some references to go further. For more information, see the link in description. There is a drawback, however. Compressing images or on save and uncompressing them on read during the processing then takes some time and will result in a slightly longer processing time. Please note that the data compression only works with fixed files. By default, the settings will be lossless for 16 bits and not 32 bits. Tips: when done properly, this only discards the noise without losing any significant information. Thank you for your attention. We invite you to visit our GitLab, our forum, or our website for more information. You can also support us if you wish. You will find the links in comments. See you soon for our next video.